In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall MetaTrader 5 on your PC using the settings. Whether you're freeing up space or simply making a change, uninstalling software is sometimes a necessary action, and fortunately, the process can be quite straightforward. First things first, I want you to start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard simultaneously with the letter I. This key combination is a handy shortcut that will open the Windows Settings menu, a central hub for managing your computer's preferences and settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, your next destination is the section labeled Apps. Depending on the version of Windows you are using, this may either appear as Installed Apps or Apps and Features. Either way, this section holds the key to managing the applications installed on your system. In this section, you will see a list of all the programs currently installed on your PC. It can be a long list, especially if you've accumulated quite a few applications over time, but don't worry, there's a quicker way than scrolling through it all. Direct your attention to the search bar that is typically located near the top right of this section. This is where you can type in the name of the application you want to uninstall, which in this case is MetaTrader 5. As you begin typing, Windows will helpfully filter the list of installed apps to match what you type, quickly narrowing down your choices and saving you time. Click on MetaTrader 5 once you see it appear in the results. You should see an uninstall button either below or next to its name, inviting you to begin the uninstallation process. Click on Uninstall and Windows will prompt you to confirm that you want to uninstall MetaTrader 5. This is a safety feature to make sure you don't accidentally remove software from your system without intending to. Go ahead and confirm this action. After confirmation, a series of follow-up prompts will guide you through the uninstallation process. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. These could slightly vary depending on your system and the version of MetaTrader you have, but they are generally straightforward. Ensure to stick with these prompts until MetaTrader 5 is completely uninstalled from your system. Upon successful completion, you might want to restart your computer. Restarting can ensure that any residual elements left over from MetaTrader 5 are fully removed, and your system is fresh and ready for its next task. And that's it. Following these steps, you should successfully uninstall MetaTrader 5 from your PC without any hassle. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it made the process easy and efficient for you. Thanks for watching, and feel free to drop by our channel for more helpful how-to guides.